Thank you for your purchase on Funride Rush Scooter. This scooter comes with strong body base, adjustable handle, water sipper, dual tires at back for a perfect riding balance and attractive looks. This scooter is easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You need a screwdriver for assembling. You can assemble this scooter by using these parts. In step 1, take the main body and insert front fork to the main body. Now place bottle pipe to the main body and lock the same using button lock and provided fork. In the next step, place handle the bottle pipe. And your beautiful Rush scooter is now ready to ride. Funride, a ride of happiness.